guys, I'm back on the Chevelle project, as you guys could tell from that last little clip. And we've got the firewall cut out. So we're obviously going to do some trans tunnel work, but the tunnel that I found does not require us to cut into that area that's straight. So that worked out perfect. We are going to do a 10-man fab trans tunnel on this thing. And yeah, so I'm going to make this firewall panel. I've got it actually over here. This is the sectioned out area that I cut. So I'll just clamp it to this piece of material and then trace it out, kind of get it cut out. And then from there, I can figure out my bead rolled panel, my bead roll design, and then boom, we'll bead roll it and get it stuffed in there, get it tacked in today, guys. So I'll put you on time lapse while I'm doing that. And Jimmy's out there knocking out the mini truck. We got a little bit of fab we still need to do on it. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. I'll be back shortly. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap for today. I know I didn't do a whole lot of talking. I wanted to kind of get some work done and show you guys what's going on. So here is the passenger side firewall. It's all tacked in. I gotta go through and weld it tomorrow. And then what I'll do is I'll go ahead and blend it inside and out. I gotta fill that heater hole that's right there. And then we'll work on the passenger side over here, or the driver's side over here. We're gonna fill all that stuff in, leave the master holes with the bolts, fill in a bunch of the little holes like down here, and kind of clean up some of this stuff. We'll also close out that fuse, the fuse box junction. We don't need that. And yeah, just keep working on the firewall, guys. We do have all the panels that we need. I ordered 2 more pieces. Like I was telling you guys in the last video, the pieces that go over here that hold the package tray up, they've been cut, so I went ahead and ordered those. They just showed up today. But yeah, my main goal was working on the firewall, so I didn't really get to do much in the rear today at all. And yeah, Jimmy was over here working on the mini truck. We had a little bit of issues. We have shocks that are too long, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get those changed out. We've already got them out. It's all the way aired down, and this bad boy's low. It's laying frame, that's for sure. So, a little side view there. She's nice and low. So this should be leaving sometime this week. And yeah, we'll just keep knocking out the Chevelle, guys. We got this cutie pie just sitting here ready to get work done again. We're just taking a little break. I feel like I've spent too much time with her. I want to get a little time off of it and then come back focused and refreshed and doing my thing, guys. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. This one was a short one today, guys, but tomorrow I will have a lot more content for you guys. It was a weird day, so As always, guys, make sure you guys like, make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll keep putting out the good content, guys. Enjoy.